Yes, students. Now we are going to discuss the topic evaporation. Evaporation is a process of escaping molecules from the surface of a liquid. Again, I am repeating. Evaporation is a process of escaping molecules from the surface of the liquid. This occurs due to the transfer of kinetic energy from the molecules which are in the liquid to the molecules which are on the surface of the liquid. Evaporation is, otherwise you can define evaporation as the phase change from liquid state to gaseous state, that is vapor form. And evaporation is a cooling process. Why this is cooling process? Here as I discussed in the earlier video, that the kinetic energy, due to the kinetic energy, there is a collision between the molecules, and the kinetic energy of the molecule is transferred from one molecule to another molecule, and the particles, the molecules which are at the surface of the liquid gains the kinetic energy and they try to escape from the liquid. As they escape from the liquid, and some of the molecules again comes back to the liquid, but some of the molecules, because of the wind flow, will move away from the vicinity of the liquid. In that case, the amount of particles coming back to the liquid is lesser than the particles which are moving away from the vicinity of the liquid. Then the evaporation process takes place, and in this case the kinetic energy of the liquid particle is transferred to the particles which are on the surface. That means they are losing the kinetic energy. As they are losing the kinetic energy, the temperature of the liquid decreases. That's why we are saying that evaporation is a cooling process and it is a surface phenomenon. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon and it is a cooling process, and it takes place at any temperature. Evaporation takes place at any temperature. It is a cooling process and it is a surface phenomenon. Evaporation depends on three factors. First one is evaporation depends on surface area, temperature, and the humidity in the atmosphere. Evaporation depends on three factors, that is surface area, temperature, and the water vapor present. Water vapor means the humidity present in the surrounding atmosphere. If the surface area is larger, then the evaporation is more. If the temperature is high, then the evaporation is again more. And it also depends on the humidity. If the humidity is more in the atmosphere, then the rate of evaporation is low. This we can observe in drying the clothes. For example, if you want to dry the clothes on a sunny day, they will be dried quicker when compared to the cloudy day. That means on sunny day the temperature is high. As the temperature is high, the rate of evaporation is high and the clothes become dried quickly. And similarly, second case, surface area. Now, if you try to keep the wet cloth closely to each other, and if you open the cloth and try to dry it, then the cloth which was opened and dried will be dried quickly when compared to the clothes which are kept closer. That means the evaporation depends on the surface area. Humidity. As I already discussed that on a sunny day, the clothes will be dried faster when compared to cloudy day. As on cloudy day, there is a lot of humidity in the atmosphere and the clothes dry slowly. Next, we are going to discuss condensation. Here, one more, before going to the condensation, I'm again repeating that evaporation is the process of phase change from liquid to gas. It takes place at any temperature. It depends on three factors, that is surface area, temperature and humidity. Now I am going to discuss condensation. Here condensation is the reverse process of evaporation. In case of condensation, it is a cooling, evaporation is a cooling process, whereas condensation is a warming process. What is condensation? The amount of, this is a phase change from gas to liquid. Evaporation is a phase change from liquid to gas, whereas condensation is a reverse process of evaporation, that is, this is the phase change from gas to liquid. This is a cooling process. Condensation is a warming process. Now let us discuss about the condensation. You might have observed when you kept a water bottle taken out from the fridge and place it on a table for a while, you will observe few drops of water on the surface of the bottle. Why this happens? Because when the water vapor present in the surrounding atmosphere comes in contact with the cold water bottle, then the phase change from gas to liquid takes place, and that water vapor present in the atmosphere converted into liquid droplets and it will be observed on the surface of the bottle. This process is known as condensation. This is the phase change from gas to liquid. It is a warming process. Why I am saying this as warming process? When the water vapor present in the atmosphere comes in contact with the bottle and the particles of the atmosphere, that is water particles in the atmosphere, loses energy, and that energy will be gained by the particles in the bottle, and the temperature of the liquid in the bottle increases. That means here the energy transfer is taking place from the water droplets, water particles in the atmosphere to the water in the bottle. That's why this is a warming process, because the liquid in the bottle will be warmed up. Next we are going to discuss humidity. As all of you know, humidity is nothing but the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Humidity is nothing but the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss two important topics, that is dew and fog. Here, now I am going to discuss the difference between dew and fog. Actually, formation of dew and formation of fog is nothing but the process of condensation. Because of condensation only, we get the process of dew and fog. But the difference between dew and the fog is, dew is nothing but when the water vapor present in the atmosphere comes in contact with a surface which is at lower temperature, then the water vapor present in the air condenses and forms drops on window panes or any leaf. These water droplets formed on the window panes and as well as on leaves in winter season known as dew. And what is fog? That is also process of condensation only, but here the water vapor present in the atmosphere condenses on the surface of the pollutants or gas present in the surrounding area. This is known as fog. And in the formation of fog, we get a mist-like structure, and we can't view the opposite objects which are in the vicinity of the eye. Next, we are going to discuss topic. So, thank you.